Once upon a time, in a lush forest called Whispering Pines, there lived a curious young hare named Hazel. With velvety grey fur and ears that twitched at every sound, Hazel loved exploring hidden corners of the woods. Her best friends were Twig, a chatty red squirrel with a bushy tail, Luna, a wise old owl who wore round spectacles, and Pippin, a timid hedgehog who always carried a tiny satchel of acorns for emergencies. One breezy morning, Hazel discovered a tattered parchment wedged in the roots of the great oak tree. It was a map. Faded ink sketched a winding path to a place called Glowing Grove, marked by a golden star. Legend said the grove held a magical treasure that could bring joy to the entire forest. "We have to find it," squeaked Twig, balancing on a branch. "But the path is dangerous," hooted Luna, adjusting her spectacles. "There's the rushing river, the thorny tunnel, and the mossy riddle gate." Pippin gulped. What if we get lost?" Hazel grinned. "We'll stick together. Adventure awaits." The friends set off at dawn, the map clutched in Hazel's paw. The first challenge was the rushing river, where frothy waves crashed against slippery stones. "How do we cross?" Pippin whispered, hiding behind Twig. Luna fluttered to a nearby tree. "Look, a fallen log!" But the log was wobbly and moss-covered. Twig scampered up a willow tree and spotted something. "Vines, we can swing across." One by one, they grabbed the vines. Twig went first, cheering. "Whee!" Luna followed, her wings flapping for balance. Pippin shut his eyes tight but made it across with a squeak. Hazel leapt last, her strong legs propelling her safely to the other side. Next was the thorny tunnel, a shadowy passage tangled with prickly brambles. The friends peered inside. "Ouch! Those thorns are sharp," Twig said, poking a paw near the vines. Pippin's quills trembled. "Maybe we should turn back." "Nonsense," said Luna. She noticed tiny fireflies flickering deeper in the tunnel. "Follow the lights, they'll guide us." The fireflies zigzagged ahead, their glow softening the darkness. Hazel hopped carefully, Twig scampered low to the ground, and Luna flew just high enough to avoid the thorns. Pippin, however, got his satchel snagged. "Hold on," Hazel nibbled the fabric free. Thank you," Pippin stammered. "Maybe my acorns can help?" He scattered a few, and the thorns retracted slightly where they landed. "Brilliant!" Luna hooted. Using Pippin's acorns, they tiptoed safely through. At last, they reached the mossy riddle gate, a towering stone arch covered in vines. Carved into the rock was a rhyme. "To pass through this door, you must answer me. What grows without rain and unlocks bravery?" The friends huddled together. "A tree?" guessed Twig. "No, trees need rain," said Luna. "A mountain?" Hazel wondered. Pippin shyly raised a paw. Is it courage?" "It grows when you're brave, even when you're scared." The gate rumbled, vines slithering aside. "Correct?" boomed a voice. Beyond the gate lay a meadow bathed in golden light. In the center stood a tree with shimmering silver leaves, its branches heavy with glowing acorns. "The treasure isn't gold, it's magic," Twig gasped. Luna read an inscription. "These acorns spark courage in hearts true and kind." Hazel plucked one, and warmth spread through her paws. "We should plant them everywhere." As they worked, the acorns glowed brighter. Soon, tiny saplings sprouted, their light spreading through the forest. Animals from far and wide gathered, marveling at the bravery the grove had awakened. Back in Whispering Pines, Hazel, Twig, Luna, and Pippin became heroes. The saplings grew into courage trees, their acorns reminding everyone that bravery isn't about being fearless. It's about facing worries with friends by your side. Pippin even started sharing his acorn stash, saying, "They're better for growing courage than hiding in my satchel." And so, the forest thrived, filled with laughter, light, and the magic of friendship.